You're watching CKWS News at Noon.
Another mild morning we enjoyed. It's going to be a mild day, a high of 16 degrees for Kingston today. Some parts of the region actually climbing higher than that. For the later in the afternoon, late part of the afternoon, we're looking at a light rain, maybe a millimeter or so. We dealt with up to a millimeter earlier this morning. Overnight, a few clouds, 15 degrees is what we'll be dropping down to. There's a bit of the system we saw earlier this morning, then we catch a break, and then catching the fringes of this rather large system, really concentrated to the north. I think Ottawa might catch the brunt of this system, but we'll catch the fringes of it, so not bad at all. In fact, we're looking at tomorrow another light rain and even into Saturday. But for Belleville, 17 degrees expected for you, 1 to 2 millimeters of a light rain. 21 tomorrow, like I said, a little bit of a light rain. And Belleville looking at some sunny periods for Saturday, getting to 14 degrees. All these are above average. Average high this time of year is around 11. You'll get to 17 degrees today. Brockville, 1 to 2 millimeters of a light rain. Same tomorrow, but even a warmer, 19 degrees. 17 on Saturday, the chance of a light rain. For you, for Smiths Falls, 17 today, 19 degrees tomorrow. A light rain each day, and then Saturday 17 again, and a mix of sun and clouds. Now here's how Kingston's next 5 days are unfolding. We are above average all the way into Saturday. Today 16 degrees, 1 to 2 millimeters of a light rain, much the same tomorrow, but we'll climb to 19 degrees to end the week, well above average. 16 on Saturday, a mix of sun and clouds, and then a light rain returns, and a cold front. Because Sunday only getting to 7 degrees. We're looking at maybe 15 millimeters at this point. Monday, 2 to 4 millimeters and a high of 8 degrees.
To you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Yeah, quite a bit of rain in the region today, certainly not as much as they are seeing elsewhere throughout the Sioux. They're expecting 70+ millimeters. And I think north of Lake Superior, they're going to actually be seeing some snow as a result of this very same double low that's sort of joining forces into a big one single low pressure system. They're going to get the cold sector of this low, and they could see significant snow through Friday. But for us, it looks like it's just sort of showers. A chance tonight, above normal temperatures still hanging on. Showers for Friday, but clearing up Saturday. There's still a small probability for some of us on Saturday, but for the most part, we're looking at a mix of sun and cloud through the region, and then back into more rain again Sunday, and temperatures dropping Saturday night and into Sunday. You're going to get single-digit daytime highs rolling in, and it might just stay that way. Showers Monday and cool conditions as well. Feeling a lot more like it should. Not yet, but it will. 15 degrees for a high in Kingston today, a little cooler than it was yesterday, but still above normal. 11 is the seasonal norm. 16 in Brockville, the same for Smiths Falls, 17 in Ottawa, Belleville as well, Peterborough and Oshawa sharing the same Celsius, and Toronto at 18 degrees for a high today. So everybody above normal. Still sitting at that 15. Southeasterly winds barely moving at 4 kilometers per hour. So it's nice and calm and mild, and it's been sort of an on and off rain, and a drizzly little mist and a bit of fog as well throughout the day. Still mostly cloudy out there. And you may find at times, though, because it's not all-day rain, as things slow down tomorrow, you might actually get some break in the cloud, and even more so on Saturday. So 17 millimeters of rain in the last 24 hours. Yeah, it came down a little heavy a couple times this afternoon. We are looking at even more. Yes, that chance of showers tonight, diminishing a bit, but then picking back up again tomorrow as we see the probability of showers rolling through, and cooler air on the back end of this comes Saturday. You'll see a big change in the air mass as that high starts to push through Saturday evening. It'll be a dirty ridge of high pressure to begin with. You're not going to see it clearing right away, but hoping that Saturday afternoon it'll be mainly sunny. So you'll probably find a mix of sun and cloud in the morning to mainly sunny conditions by the afternoon. So this is where we're sitting now, and that probability is diminished considerably, that last band of precipitation heading northeast, but it's not over yet. There's some break in the cloud overnight and into Friday. That probability of showers with us as well. Into the afternoon, we see the probability dropping again, a little bit of clearing, and then Saturday afternoon, we see that probability again but not overnight Friday into Saturday morning. We see that probability again, but then it drops off by just after sunrise. We start to see the cloud clearing out, and you've got a pretty decent day Saturday. Take advantage of it because we're rolling back into some cloud and showers again thanks to another low in the U.S. that's coming our way. Belleville, a high 21 with a chance of showers at 80% probability tomorrow. It'll probably grow through the day, like 40% in the morning, and then again 80% through the afternoon. Saturday, high 14, mix of sun and cloud. For Sunday, only up to 7. You see those temperatures dropping Saturday night to a 3, up to 7 Sunday, and then back down to 3 again. And shower activity back up to about 80% probability on Sunday. Brockville rising to near 20 on Friday. The chance of showers at 70% probability. We're going to see some windy conditions in some parts too. Kingston east straight through to Brockville. The winds gust up to about 50 km. Saturday, a high 17, mix of sun and clouds. Still a lingering 40% chance of showers, but not a bad day. And for Sunday, yeah, much cooler for you. I think everybody's going to feel much cooler conditions rolling in for Sunday across the region. A high of only 6 degrees, 70% chance of showers, Brockville. Smiths Falls up to 19 degrees tomorrow with a chance of showers. A break from showers Saturday with a mix of sun and cloud, a high 17, and only rising to 6 on Sunday with a chance of showers. And Kingston near 20 tomorrow and showers. A mix of sun and cloud Saturday, high 16. Cooling off Sunday, only high 7, showers. Monday, a good chance of showers again with a high of 8. And Halloween, a high 7. We're putting the brakes on the showers for the trick-or-treaters, but it will be cool. Put a couple layers under that Halloween costume. Wednesday, high 6. We could see mixed precipitation. Yes, as it cools down to a 1 Wednesday, we may see some wet flurries mixed in with that probability of showers, but getting into some clearing Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud and a high of 9. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Even Kitty is enjoying our beautiful fall. Watching the sunset Tuesday evening in Yarker. Thanks to Lori Vallier for this lovely shot. Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah,
very
gorgeous
nice.
Colors in that shot, for sure.
And the cat is certainly enjoying it.
Yeah, looks to be. Yeah, looks to be enjoying it for sure. And here we go next week into single-digit high territory.
Yes, you knew it was coming. Yeah. We've been kind of spoiled, crazy. Near 20 degrees tomorrow. That's just nuts. I'll have to check and see if that's close to breaking a record.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, you'll have to check for sure. All right, Bill, we'll get you back here in a bit to see how low we're going to go in your 10-day forecast. Thank you. With a look at the next 10 days, which kicks off tomorrow with a 19, and you better enjoy it.
Yeah, because temperatures do start to drop off. A 19, yeah, tomorrow, nearly 20 degrees. Some parts of eastern Ontario might actually share a 20 Celsius. We are looking at more showers, though. That probability growing through the day, late afternoon, it rises to about 80%. Saturday, 16 for a high, mix of sun and cloud, but for a small probability, 40% through Brockville and Smiths Falls in the morning. Pretty much the region looking at a mix of sun and cloud, a break from the showers. Come Sunday, though, another low reaches us from the U.S. Midwest. This is going to bring us some showers and much cooler air circulating through the region. Chance of showers Monday. Come Tuesday, Halloween, the trick-or-treaters won't get wet, but it will be cool. Make sure they have a few layers under that Halloween costume. 6 is the high Wednesday, and as the chance of showers returns and as it gets down close to freezing overnight, we could see it mixed with some wet flurries. Back to some sunshine over Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and back to double digits, but just barely over Saturday and Sunday. The chance of showers returning that afternoon. That probability could grow Monday.
All right, here's hoping that nice dry day for Halloween holds until next week.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Lots of wet weather for the region as we see a series of lows pushing through, one trough after another, bringing you showers, a cold front here and there to come, and that's probably going to bring temperatures down. Experiencing the warm front now, so yeah, and we have been for the last few days as we see that on and off cloud and chance of showers. And we got really into the thick of the rain late today. We're hoping to see that sort of, for some areas, it's probably already come to an end, and we're seeing some thinning out in the cloud. For Friday, it's a slow start. There's still a probability of showers in the morning, but as the day progresses, we get into that probability again. And into Saturday, still a slight chance of showers, but hoping for some clearing, some sunshine. A mix of sun and cloud expected thanks to high pressure. However, more low pressure moving in for Sunday, and that's going to bring you more periods of rain. And look out, some cooler air on the back end of those showers. Temperatures are going to drop. You can even notice a difference Saturday night down to a 3. 7's your high Sunday and down to 3 again Sunday night. But nice to see the mix of sun and cloud for Saturday, Quinty. 21's your high tomorrow as that chance of showers grows throughout the day. Probably 40% in the morning, maybe a couple sunny periods to start your day if you're lucky. And then it's cloudy and a good chance of showers late afternoon, early evening. Brockville, it's a high of 19 with the chance of showers for you as well. Yeah, you'll almost hit 20 tomorrow. 17's your high Saturday with a mix of sun and cloud. 40% chance of showers, right up to 70% probability on Sunday. Much cooler, only a high of 6. Smiths Falls rising to near 20 tomorrow with a chance of showers, and Saturday it's a high 17 with a mix of sun and cloud. Back to a chance of showers or light rain Sunday, and cooler, a high 6 and down to 2 degrees that night. Kingston, a high of 19 tomorrow, the chance of showers again. For Saturday, we see that probability diminish, a mix of sun and cloud expected. For Sunday, only a high of 7, much cooler air circulating through the region, and the chance of showers. Come Monday, only up to 8 degrees, still showers. For Halloween Tuesday, a high 7 with a mix of sun and cloud. Nice to see the showers stop for the trick-or-treaters. And Wednesday, a high 6, the chance of showers up to 9 on Thursday as we give the showers a break, a mix of sun and cloud.